Welcome to the step-by-step guide to Bank of Baroda account types. Bank of Baroda is a leading public sector bank in India offering a wide range of account types to cater to the diverse needs of its customers. To begin with, let us understand the different types of accounts offered by Bank of Baroda. These include savings account, current account, recurring deposit account, fixed deposit account, and NRI account. Firstly, savings account is a basic deposit account that allows you to save a portion of your income while earning interest on it. It is ideal for individuals who want to save money and earn interest. Secondly, current account is a type of deposit account that is designed for businesses and individuals who need to make frequent transactions. It does not earn interest but provides a lot of flexibility in terms of transactions. Thirdly, recurring deposit account is a type of term deposit where you deposit a fixed amount of money at regular intervals and earn interest on it. This account is ideal for individuals who want to save a fixed amount of money regularly. Fourthly, fixed deposit account is a type of term deposit where you deposit a lump sum amount of money for a fixed period of time and earn interest on it. This account is ideal for individuals who want to save a large amount of money for a long period of time. Lastly, NRI account is a type of savings account designed for non-resident Indians who want to save money. In India, it provides a lot of flexibility in terms of transactions and allows you to manage your finances from abroad. Now that we have understood the different types of accounts offered by Bank of Baroda, let us proceed to the step-by-step guide on how to open an account. To open an account with Bank of Baroda, you need to visit the nearest branch and submit the required documents such as identity proof, address proof, and passport size photograph. Once you have submitted the documents, you need to fill up the account opening form and provide the required information such as your name, address, and occupation. After filling up the form, you need to deposit the minimum amount required to open the account and your account will be activated. In conclusion, Bank of Baroda offers a wide range of account types to cater to the diverse needs of its customers. By understanding the different types of accounts and following the step-by-step guide, you can easily open an account with Bank of Baroda and start managing your finances effectively. It is always a good idea to compare the features and benefits of different account types before opening an account. Additionally, you should also read the terms and conditions carefully before signing the account opening form. By following these best practices, you can ensure that you choose the right account type and make the most out of your banking experience with Bank of Baroda.